Hello and welcome to the 26th tutorial in the JavaScript Basic series, and in this tutorial we're going to look at strict mode. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 2. If you haven't, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, or you can just implement it directly into your own project, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a text editor and then open up the files from tutorial 2. Okay, let's just get rid of this. And strict mode basically shows all errors because JavaScript is quite a loose language. It allows you to do stuff, and it's the same with HTML that really shouldn't be done. So let's just give you an example. We won't use strict mode straight away. We'll show you what we mean. If we do var x equals 9, for example, and we do xp equals 5, we haven't declared xp anywhere. And this is basically just to show you an example that might be a spelling mistake. You've added an extra letter or character to your variable name. And if you don't use strict mode, what this line will do, this line will just essentially create a new variable. And most of the time, that's not what you want, simply because I'm trying to access and modify this piece of data, this variable. And if you've got a huge program, it's possible to have these sort of errors. So if I just do alert, in here just put XP, save it, run this web page in the web browser, it's alerted 5, simply because it's created a new variable. And if we just inspect element, go to console, there's no errors either. But if we were to put strict mode, and to use strict mode, in each JavaScript file you have, you just put use strict, refresh. As you can see, no alert has popped up because it's saying XP is not defined, and it isn't. This is assigning 5 to a variable that does not exist yet. So recommend using strict mode. Use it from the start. If you start using it towards the end of a project or halfway through a project, you'll probably find you'll probably get a lot of errors, stuff that really hasn't caused many issues, or you've just sort of patched them up, and then those issues come along after. Plus also, if you don't have those issues because you use strict mode and you fix them as you go along, you probably, sorry, just knocked over a water bottle, you'll have better performance most likely as well. It's just better coding practice. And other languages aren't so loose, like C++, for example. That's it for strict mode. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at reserved keywords. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial or programming in general, feel free to message us. All the links, as usual, will be in the description, and for the source code, I should say. And as usual, thanks for watching.